Hello friends and team, I'm Mayank Patel. I'm a student at Federation University. We are four members in a group and our project title is a Trans-Tasman database. The purpose of making this video as per our assessment requirement, which address all the concept of our project for Spring 2. Here is my team member and the client details. I'm going to discuss the project description. Automated open data sourcing database for the Tasman Sea and open data assets. Additionally, that assets data allocated to database for the client to use these technological solution for accurate and timely collection of data. At the end user can get an expected output as a user interface in a wireframe. Let's move on task description. Here is the all the task description with the timely limit for whole project. We have also covered all the dates and outlines for all the assessments. Let's move on to project requirement. First, data collection. Basically, it depends on open database, web scraping, and APIs that will be done by the software engineers. The next, automate database about the current, sea level, shipping, tides, weather, and whale watching event involved in Tasman Sea. The end product as an output will get as a user interface in a wireframe. Here is the data collection and data sets. We found one data sets on Australian Ocean Data Network for the sea surface temperature, as you can see on the screen. The next, the project demonstration. Initially, the stage for the database, that database creation, that I have created a database, publicly accessible database in a Amazon Web Service in a relational database service. Then I have installed the MySQL Workbench and connect database to AWS via endpoint root URL that you can see on the screen. Then I have created schemas and tables as per our requirement of product. Then also I have created a pseudocode that users can easily understand. Let's move on to MySQL Workbench data tables. Here is the tables which I have created for our product, like current, data sites, sea level, shipping, tides, weather, and the whale watching. The next is a draft user interface as an output. You can see on the screen, I have put the symbols on the Tasman Sea map with the latitude and longitude with the 6 event of the product, the currents, weather, tides, shipping, sea levels. Yeah. Next, here is the DFD with the wireframe output. We have put the 6 data sites tables in a line. Then we have all the data sites stored in the AWS. Then after AWS, we have a data extract to the data sites in a tables on a workbench. After that, user can get the output as you can see on the screen here. Here is the sprint wish list. First, the wireframe, which will be done in the sprint 3, the automate data sets, sprint 3, implementation of API and web service that will be done by the developer. Easy to reach out, all accessible for platform like web application and websites. The next is the individual reflection and contribution. In the sprint 2, I have, I have contributed a database creation. Initially in the database, I have done a database creation with the help of tools and web applications such as AWS RDS and MySQL Workbench. Additionally, created database and table in MySQL with SQL queries and created one table for symbol which describes each event. On top of that, as a team leader, I need to be a generate report every week for project progress report by communication channel with team members. By taking this project, I have learned more things like a team leader role and very confident to finish in upcoming weeks. Thank you.